So guys, let's get straight into this video. And I'm not joking, I found the best ever brushes for watercolor. These Arteos mop brushes. You won't believe me, you have seen a million videos of people doing beautiful watercolor flowers, and these are brushes that they are using. They have not told you the secret yet, but now I'm going to review this, so stay tuned because we are going to find out exactly how well these brushes work with watercolors. Full set of Arteos brushes. It comes in 4 sizes in one beautiful package. As you can see, these brushes are fairly different from the normal brushes that you get. These are in 4 sizes and you can get them delivered at your doorstep. Yeah, so these are the 4 brushes. This is 0, this is 2, this is 8, and this is 4. I'll start with the one that I'm confident enough with, and it is the 4 number brush. So we'll start with this one. And whenever you're buying new brushes, you have to just keep the brushes in water for some time. I'm going to just let this brush soak up some water because the ends of the brush usually has a little bit of glue on them. So once you immerse the brush in water, you keep it away for like 5 to 10 minutes and then we can start up. So here are all our brushes. As you can see, they are softer now, and I'm just going to give you guys a closer look of how this brush is. Look at this. Look at they have a different type of make. In the normal brushes you won't find this, but now you have this to hold the entire mop together. Let's paint something now. Here, I think that was a fail. Fail again. Fail. They do it so easily, man. How do they do it? So I've taken a lot more water this time. I'm going to just press a little bit here and then lift up. Press and then lift up. Press and then lift up. Okay, I think I got a hang of it. It's just to press and to lift up. Now I have added a little bit of yellow as well in the picture. Press and lift up. So even if this mop brush is the biggest one, that is the 8 one, you can see I can very easily use it to draw thin lines. Yeah. So whenever you're buying these brushes, don't give up in the first instance. Like you're seeing, it's going to take time to master how to hold them, what to do, how when to put pressure. And here I just created a beautiful flower just like that. I didn't have this in mind. So just going to take some yellow also now. Create some more texture on this flower. Let's take some yellow and yeah. I think it looks good. Let's draw a stem. Let's try doing that with this thick 8 number brush. I think the best part about mop brushes is that you can do both. Like, see how thin the lines you can go with. So you can do both. You can use these brushes for making beautiful flowers, leaves, landscapes. I think this will be great for landscapes as well. Let's try some gradients. Because they hold a lot of water, so yeah, great while doing some landscape paintings because they are bigger in size, so you don't have to apply too much in, you can just apply it in one go. Now let's try picking up some color from this. I want to see what happens when you use a dry mop brush, so let's see that as well. I'm just always, as always, keeping a tissue with me. Keep a tissue handy so you can dry your brushes. Now this is fairly dry. Now we'll try picking up color. Works beautifully. Let's try picking up color in a shape. No, I have not got that dexterity yet, but yeah, you can even do that. So yeah, these brushes work well without water as well, and they are very easy to clean. They are very easy to hold because you can hold your brushes here, and I don't know, it gives more flexibility while painting. And the best aspect is, like I said, you can use it for drawing bigger shapes, for drawing normal lines and everything like that. Soon I'll be doing the full on painting with these brushes, one of them of course, one of the sizes, or maybe using all of them, never know. So if you have not subscribed yet, do like, share and subscribe to the channel, because I am going to try a lot of things that you guys might want to try as a beginner, because I too am learning the art of watercolors. I have never gone to art school, so this is all self-taught exercises that I'm doing, and I'm sharing this with you guys so that you guys don't have to waste time on learning these things, and you can pick up better things and make better paintings and better art. Thank you for watching.